Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to talk about drawing a circle by using a compass and how to label circle parts. So, drawing a circle, it can sometimes be tricky, but the easiest way is to use a device called a compass. Okay? A device like this. You'll notice one end has a pencil and the other end has a sharp point. That's going to be the center of our circle. So the first strategy for drawing a compass, drawing a circle, is to put your point in the center of your circle. Then determine how big you want your circle, put the pencil down, and you're going to rotate it up here at the tip. Don't rotate it from the arms. Instead, rotate it from the tip like this. It helps if you hold the paper still so the paper doesn't move. Okay. So there's one circle. It could be a little tricky to see. I'll highlight it in blue so you can see. I'll trace over it. That's one strategy. Okay. Another strategy is instead of turning it over here at the handle, turning your paper. And that's a strategy that I really like, and it's really good for drawing smaller circles. So instead, determine how big you want your circle to be, small or large. Once you determine how big you want it to be, put the center in the middle, put the pencil down, okay? And now hold this steadily while you turn the paper. I really like this strategy, but I'll leave it up to you to decide which strategy you think is best. All right, you'll notice my circle didn't come up very well because I moved the needle. I'll try it again. Okay, so this is a strategy I really like for drawing circles. And here's my circle. And the needle was right there. Okay, where the needle was, now in geometry, we can label this the center. Okay, and you'll notice that I can use my ruler and I can make any line going through the center from one end to the other. Okay, I made one there. All right, let's make another one going through the center here. And this one is also about 9 centimeters. I can make another one over here. And this one's also about 9 centimeters. Okay, when a line goes from one side of my circle to the other side and through the center, we call this the diameter. The diameter. And a diameter is any line that goes from one end to the other and goes through the center. Okay? So, would this line here be considered a diameter? Well, no, it wouldn't, because it doesn't go through the center. Okay? We could just call this a chord. Like, a shoe cord. We're just going to call that a chord. It doesn't go through the center. So diameter, again, it's a line that goes from one side to the other, and it goes through the center. So now, in geometry, we also have a name for half of that diameter. Let me color it in red. So half of the diameter is called the radius. Okay? So when a line goes from one side to the other side through the center, it's called the diameter. Okay? Half of a diameter can be called a radius. Okay? If you have two of them, well, two radiuses make up a diameter. And if you have a line that goes from one side of your circle to the other, but not through the center, that's called a chord. All right? So today you learned 2 strategies for making circles. One, where you hold the paper and you turn the handle. Another one where you hold the handle and turn the paper, kind of like you're a DJ. Right? And we also learned how to label our circle. Line from one side to the other, through the center, diameter. Half of that, radius. Line from one side to the other, but not through the center, which is called a chord. Good luck.